Yo, 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 what up, YouTube? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like always say, to the black, to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now, and I know it probably sounds different to you guys, and I haven't uploaded in a while because there's some things that's been going on. I got a story time coming up for you guys, and it's very serious, so like right now, I may not even be back on YouTube due towards if you guys don't know, I was arrested for something completely stupid, and I got a story time basically regarding towards that because I got ongoing charges that's going on right now. So I am going to talk about that in a video that's coming up either tomorrow for the Sunday chat commentary, and I'm going to explain to you guys what's going on and pray for your boy. That's all I can say. Y'all know my mother passed away, so I've been busy doing other things. So yeah, it's so much fuck shit going on. So no further ado, let's unbox this. You already know I had to get a new mouse because my mouse that I normally game with, it just constantly keeps dying on me. Like I keep putting it on the charger, and it's not fun. Keep trying to plug this thing up and go on a go. So I just picked this up right here. So you already know the deal. Bat knife box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. I know my voice sound different. It's because I'm not trying to stress out my voice the way how I normally do with the yo yo yo. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Daddy Easy. I really don't feel like talking like that. Just dealing with a lot of stuff. Plus I got a little bad cold. So my voice is just like really stressed out. So that's why I sound a little bit different and everything. So yeah. So let's do this real quick. Like this thing is thick. I ain't gonna cap. This thing is like bulging out. That's what she said. Okay, we get the charging dock right here. Right there. That's why I got it, because I need to be able to swap out batteries when I'm gaming, especially when I'm doing productivity work and things. Got the mouse right here. Here's the rest of the cords. Okay. How do I get into the other part? I guess like this. If we can open it up. Okay. Dongle right there. The cords right here. There we go. Put that here. Anything else in here? Nope. So throw this back inside this like that. Just that way. This one here. Put this over here. That right there. Throw this in here. Pop that back over there. Put the instructions in here like so, because we ain't gonna need all that stuff right now. So this is all we need. First part right here, back inside. I'm gonna just throw this in top. Happy 4th of July to everybody. We're gonna go watch the fireworks in a few. So I got pizzas and stuff going on, chicken wings and hamburgers and hot dogs and McDonald's, Burger King, all that stuff. So yeah, I'm trying to enjoy myself before my trial date because some fuckery, man. So yeah, but I'm gonna beat those charges because I got a lot of proof and I got a lot of witnesses that literally said that the charges I'm being charged with is bullshit. Even the lieutenant there that was going on even said I shouldn't have been arrested. His deputy or his officer was on a power trip, so he thought it was a big dog. I'll explain it come tomorrow. So here it is right here. Well, I came in an ice cream cone bag. Oh, so there we go right there. Okay, this thing is light. It's glossy though, and it's like thick, so it's thick, it's good. Pop this in like this, and there you go. Then you plug this into this like so, and you plug it into the dock and leave it like that. So that's it right there, the bag. And I gotta put it back inside. So yeah, this is the mouse right here. Battery is most likely dead, needs to probably be charged up. I don't know how to turn this on just yet, but we will figure that out. Maybe if I have to press this, I don't know. We'll figure it out. charge up some of the battery. So that's it right there, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned for tomorrow's Sunday chat commentary, and I'm going to explain to you guys everything that's been going on, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace.